Imagine a world where every AI assistant, robot, app, and smart device can talk to each other perfectly. No barriers, no compatibility issues, no silos. One universal language connecting them all. But here's the twist. The biggest tech companies on Earth are currently fighting a silent war to control that language. Because whoever wins won't just dominate artificial intelligence, they'll shape the entire digital economy of the future. Welcome to the Agent Wars of 2026. Artificial intelligence has already changed how we work, search, and create. From chatbots writing emails to AI tools generating videos, the technology is evolving at a breathtaking pace. But behind the scenes, a much bigger shift is happening, one that most people don't even realize yet. We are moving from AI tools to AI agents. An AI tool waits for instructions, but an AI agent can plan, act, communicate with other agents, and complete complex tasks on its own. Imagine telling an AI agent to plan your vacation, book flights, compare hotels, negotiate prices, schedule your calendar, and coordinate transportation, all without needing constant guidance. Now imagine millions of these agents working together across apps, websites, services, and devices. For that to happen, they all need something extremely important, a common language. Right now, most AI systems operate inside isolated ecosystems. Each company builds its own models, its own APIs, its own rules, and its own communication protocols. That means an AI assistant built by one company may not easily cooperate with another company's system. It's like trying to have a conversation where one person speaks English, another speaks Japanese, and a third speaks a completely invented language. The result is fragmentation. Your AI assistant might be able to search the web, but not control your smart home. Another AI might analyze documents but can't communicate with your productivity apps. And a third AI might handle bookings but can't coordinate with your financial tools. This fragmentation creates friction, and friction slows innovation. So the industry is racing toward a solution: a universal AI language for agents. A universal AI language is not a spoken language like English or Spanish. Instead, it's a standardized protocol that allows AI agents to understand each other, exchange information, and collaborate. Think of it like the Internet's common rules. The Internet works globally because computers follow shared standards like HTTP and TCP/IP. These protocols allow devices made by different companies in different countries to communicate seamlessly. In the same way, the future AI agent economy needs a shared communication system. If such a universal language exists, your AI could talk to thousands of other AI agents instantly. It could hire another agent to analyze legal documents, negotiate with a pricing agent, coordinate logistics with a delivery agent, and report the results back to you. Instead of using one AI assistant, you'd be orchestrating an entire ecosystem of specialized agents. And that's where the competition begins. Tech companies understand something very important. The platform that controls the universal AI language will control the AI economy. Think back to earlier technology battles. Operating systems determined the winners of the PC era. App stores shaped the smartphone era. Search engines defined the early internet economy. Now the next platform battle is emerging: AI agent infrastructure. Companies are racing to define how agents communicate, how they discover each other, how tasks are delegated, and how trust is established between them. This competition has already started quietly across research labs, startups, and major tech giants. Some companies are building agent frameworks. Others are creating protocols for agent collaboration. And some are designing marketplaces where AI agents can hire other agents. But the deeper question remains: whose standard will the world adopt? The stakes of this battle are enormous. A universal AI language could unlock an entirely new layer of the global economy, often called the agent economy. In this system, AI agents would constantly perform tasks for people and businesses. They might research information, automate negotiations, manage supply chains, handle customer service, or even create new digital products. Instead of humans coordinating everything manually, agents would coordinate with each other in real time. That means millions, possibly billions, of microtransactions between AI systems every day. Whoever controls the protocol that powers those interactions could influence everything from digital commerce to cloud infrastructure to global data flows. It would be similar to controlling the operating system of the entire AI ecosystem. And that's exactly why the agent wars of 2026 have begun. But the real story gets even more interesting. Because this war isn't just about technology. It's about power, standards, and control over the future of intelligence itself. And several powerful players have already stepped into the arena, each with their own vision of what the universal AI language should look like. As the idea of autonomous AI agents becomes more realistic, several powerful players are racing to define the communication standards that could connect them all. Each of these companies understands that the real power of AI won't just come from building the smartest model. The real power will come from building the network where millions of AI agents interact. One of the major contenders in this race is OpenAI. Over the past few years, the company has focused heavily on developing advanced AI systems capable of reasoning, planning, and performing tasks across multiple tools. But the bigger vision goes beyond chat interfaces. OpenAI has been experimenting with ways for AI agents to interact with software tools, APIs, and digital environments in a structured way. If these systems evolve into a widely adopted standard for agent communication, it could position OpenAI as a central hub for AI-driven workflows across the internet. At the same time, Google is pushing its own vision through its ecosystem of AI models and developer platforms. With its massive infrastructure, search dominance, and Android ecosystem, Google has a unique advantage: billions of devices already connected to its services. If Google succeeds in embedding AI agent communication standards into its platforms, it could create a network where agents interact across search, cloud services, productivity tools, and smart devices. In other words, Google could potentially transform its existing ecosystem into the backbone of the agent economy. Another powerful player is Microsoft, which has been rapidly integrating AI across its enterprise platforms. Through tools embedded in productivity software, cloud services, and developer ecosystems, Microsoft is positioning itself as the infrastructure provider for businesses building AI-powered workflows. If enterprise AI agents become the dominant use case, handling tasks like data analysis, scheduling, logistics, and customer service, Microsoft's cloud ecosystem could become a major coordination layer for agent communication. Meanwhile, companies like Anthropic and other AI labs are focusing heavily on safety, reliability, and structured reasoning in AI systems. Their approach suggests a future where agent communication must be carefully controlled and verifiable, ensuring that autonomous systems remain trustworthy and aligned with human goals. But the competition isn't limited to large tech companies. A growing number of open-source communities and startups are also building agent protocols designed to be decentralized and widely accessible. Their goal is to prevent a single corporation from controlling the language that AI agents use to communicate. In this vision, AI agents could interact across open networks, similar to how the internet itself operates today. And that possibility introduces an entirely different kind of battle. At the heart of the agent wars lies a deeper philosophical conflict. Should the universal AI language be open, or controlled? If a single company defines the dominant protocol for agent communication, it could effectively control the gateway through which AI agents interact. That company could influence how tasks are executed, how transactions occur, and even which agents are allowed to participate in the ecosystem. But an open standard could create a very different future. In an open ecosystem, developers anywhere in the world could create specialized AI agents that plug into the network. These agents could collaborate with other agents freely, forming a global web of intelligent services. Some experts compare this future to the early days of the internet, when open protocols allowed innovation to explode across industries. The question now is whether the AI industry will follow that same open path, or evolve into a series of powerful but isolated ecosystems. If universal AI communication becomes a reality, the impact on everyday life could be dramatic. Instead of manually managing dozens of apps and services, people might rely on a single personal AI agent that coordinates everything for them. Your agent could negotiate bills, manage subscriptions, organize travel, monitor investments, and even collaborate with work-related agents across company systems. Businesses could deploy fleets of specialized agents to handle tasks that currently require entire teams. Customer service agents could instantly solve problems. Supply chain agents could negotiate with logistics networks. Financial agents could analyze markets and execute transactions in real time. In this world, economic activity would increasingly be driven by AI-to-AI interactions. Humans would still guide strategy and decisions, but agents would handle much of the execution. This shift could dramatically increase productivity across industries, but it could also concentrate enormous power in the platforms that control agent communication. Right now, the outcome of the agent wars is far from certain. It's possible that multiple standards will coexist, creating competing AI ecosystems. It's also possible that one dominant protocol will eventually emerge, becoming the universal language of intelligent machines. History shows that technology standards often evolve unpredictably. Sometimes open systems win, sometimes proprietary platforms dominate. But one thing is clear. The future of AI won't just be about smarter models. It will be about how those models interact with each other. The companies that shape those interactions may end up shaping the next era of the digital world. So while most people focus on the latest AI chatbot or image generator, a much larger transformation is quietly unfolding behind the scenes. A global race is underway to define the language that intelligent machines will use to collaborate. And the winner of that race may ultimately determine who controls the infrastructure of the AI-powered economy of the future. The agent wars have only just begun. And the world is about to discover what happens when artificial intelligence stops working alone and starts working together.